You wake up to the day you thought was ordinary. Coffee in hand. A small ping on your phone. Not money. A note. An introduction. A name attached. You pause. Everything shifts. That single connection tilts a meeting, opens a door, reroutes a plan. Power, you realize, can move without cash. It moves through people. Through trust. Through who will vouch for you. This is the first moment. The soft recognition that influence lives in relationships. Not in bank accounts alone. You are not richer or poorer. You are more or less connected. And those connections have weight. They make things happen. They let you in. They keep you out. Today, you will start to see power as a map of people, not a stack of bills. Keep your eyes open. Feel the shift. Listen for the names. Level 2. A connection is not a transaction. It's a living bridge. You cross it. Someone else crosses it for you. Trust is the plank. Reputation is the rope. Visibility is the light that guides you. Think of a friend who knows a decision maker. They call on your behalf. Their voice matters. Why? Because they already carry credibility. A connection transforms uncertainty into possibility. You get access to rooms you never knew existed. You get time on calendars that were locked. You get introductions that reframe you. What does this cost? Often nothing immediate. It costs reciprocity over time. Small favors returned. A thoughtful message. A timely help. Connection power compounds like interest. A warm introduction today builds leverage tomorrow. It accumulates silently. You either nourish it, or you watch it wither. Level 3. There are 3 shapes of connection power. Hubs. Bridges. Anchors. Hubs are people who know many people. They sit at intersections. A single nod from them can amplify your visibility. Bridges connect 2 worlds. They introduce you to people who would otherwise never meet you. Bridges bring novelty. They change trajectory. Anchors hold you steady. They are deep, loyal, and long-term. An anchor believes in you when no one else does. Your strategy is a mix. You need the hub who amplifies. You need the bridge who opens new terrain. You need anchors who will stand by you in storms. Recognize who plays which role in your life. Map the geometry of your network. Stop treating contacts like static assets. See them as dynamic roles. When you do, you start to move intentionally. Level 4. How do you build connection power without performing? Without becoming transactional? You begin small. You listen. You learn what matters to the other person. You offer value that aligns with their needs. Not what you want. What they need. You follow up. A single note of thanks is underrated. You introduce people thoughtfully. Make the match about them, not you. Be consistent. A reliable presence is magnetic. Keep promises. Be curious in conversations. Ask better questions. Remember details. Names, kids, favorite books. Those notes matter. You become memorable. Give first. Offer time, insight, a small favor. Expect no immediate return. This is not charity. It's practice in generosity that builds social capital. Slow, steady, genuine. That is how connections become power. Level 5. Power via connections has shadows. It can create unfair gates. It can cement privilege. It can make people invisible. You must use connection power ethically. Check your motives. Whom are you excluding unintentionally? Who lacks access to your hubs? Who benefits silently from your network while others don't? Practice redistribution. Make introductions for people outside your circle. Open the doors you. Level 6. There are daily rituals that grow this type of power. 5 minutes each morning. Scan your mental Rolodex. Who needs a check-in? Who can use a warm intro? Send 3 brief messages. Be specific. Offer a connection. Share a resource. Celebrate someone. Once a week, map your network. Where are the gaps? Whose voice is missing? Who do you want to know? Then act. Invite one person new into your world this month. Introduce two people who should meet. Be the hub sometimes. Other times be the bridge. And when storms come, be the anchor. Carry someone's reputation when they need holding. These micro habits accumulate. They become inertia. Before long, people start to think of you as a connector. And that reputation opens doors. Level 7. Imagine a world where influence isn't hoarded by wallets. Where your morning note matters more than a closed bank account. Where a community lifts each other through introductions, references, and trust. You can be part of that world. Start by noticing your power in everyday moments. A compliment. A referral. A small act of service. Those are currencies. Spend them wisely. Your life will change. Not because you chased money, but because you cultivated relationships. You will find opportunities arriving in new ways. Jobs, collaborations, support in hard seasons. You will also be richer in something money cannot buy: belonging. Closing. Power as connection asks you to be present. To listen. To give.